Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing out of your Samsung account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap on your Samsung account name at the top. Scroll to the bottom of the Samsung account settings and tap Sign Out. Then tap Sign Out again. You will now have to enter your Samsung account password. Tap OK and you'll be signed out of your Samsung account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.